Friend, welcome to Riotouch, and I'm Cindy. Today I will introduce for these panels, and this model is a paper panel. First, let me try to these functions, and this screen can be noted and multiple angles. First, this is level longer, and let me try to rotate. And this is a vertical angles, like this. Okay, let me go back. And the lecture is about this screen's features, is about applications, and this have Google application and settings and file management, portable storage, and chemical and play stores. And this is have multiple applications, and if you want, and you can download for the Play stores, and according to different needs. Also, lecture, let me open the settings. And it have applications management and notifications, and this screens memories and storages, and we can adjust the sound like this. And this is the display settings, is about these panels. Okay, like this. And these systems, and we can adjust different languages. Okay, go back. Lecture is file management, and we can store multiple files in this. Is include image, videos, audio, documentary, and APIs. Okay, thank you.